G'day guys, Chad here, your resident pitmaster and backyard barbecue expert. Today I'm back with more tips, tricks and recipes to help you become a real hero around the barbecue and the campsite. Alright, here we are guys, down on the Murrumbidgee, just outside of Canberra here. We've got ourselves a beautifully cooked, absolutely unbelievable fresh snapper straight out of the river with my best fly gear. Now today I'm going to show you how to cook this unbelievably good fish, restaurant quality, right here on the Voyager Barbecue. So before we get to that ripper snapper that we've got sitting in the fridge over there, what we need to do is prep our sauce. Well, it's more of a marinade, I guess, marinade slash dressing that we're going to use at the end as well. Look, we've got some pretty simple ingredients here. A few chilies, some ginger paste, garlic, some oil, sugar, white, and a bit of fish sauce as well. So pretty much what we're going to do is finally chop these chilies up and combine all these ingredients. If you want to know the exact measurements, there'll be a link in the video here. So just click on that link and there'll be a detailed recipe there for you guys to hook into. So for those of you that don't like a lot of heat through your food, just remove the seeds. That's where a lot of your heat is. I'm going to leave the seeds in because I like the heat. Again, excuse my chopping skills here guys. We're going to add that to our bowl. Alright, I also got a couple of limes here which I forgot to mention as well. Good trick with juicing a lime or a lemon for that matter is just give it a good roll, bit of pressure, loosen up all the pip. So we want the juice from one lime. Don't worry about the seeds getting in there. Beautiful. A bit of fish sauce. Don't want to overdo it. We are cooking fish. Good amount of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons I reckon. Good amount of ginger. Ginger, chili, fish and garlic are the 3 flavors that go just super well. That's 4. They're the 4 flavors that go together really well. Don't be scared to use a bit of garlic if you can get the jar open. About a tablespoon. Again, just a bit of pepper. And finally, just about a teaspoon of sugar. We just want to sweeten it up a little bit. Righto, so before we pull that fish out still, we may as well get our lime organised. We're going to pop this in the cavity of the fish. So just nice thick slices. That's going to cook down really well. Alrighty, I have got an absolutely beautiful baby snapper here from my local fishmonger. Look, a good key to a fresh fish is nice, clear, shiny eyes. You don't want cloudy, dull, sunken eyes. You can tell you're getting old fish with that. So really impressed with the color of this little baby snapper. Okay, so now we're just going to give it a simple score either side. Don't overdo it. Don't go too deep. Beautiful. All right, now it's as simple as taking a bit of our sauce slash marinade slash whatever you want to call it. And we're just going to get into those scores. We want these flavors to really penetrate that meat, and that looks just gorgeous. Now do both sides. How good does that look already? We'll go our cavity as well. Now we're just going to stuff these limes in as well. Don't worry if they overlap. Don't want to put too many in. It's only a small little baby snapper, so that should be pretty sufficient. So we'll just chuck that on our foil. Just give it a turn. Scrape that back on there. So nice tight wrap. Now she's ready to pop on the Voyager. All right, so we've preheated our Voyager for a medium heat cook. We don't want to overdo our fish too quickly. Essentially what will happen is the outside will cook really fast, and the inside meat, it'll take a bit longer. So you're going to have raw in the middle, cooked on the outside, which we don't want. So medium heat, we're just going to chuck that lid down. We're going to leave that for about something that size, I'm going to say about 30 minutes. But yeah, for up to a 1.5 to 2 kilo snapper, you want to allow 45 minutes to an hour. Something this small, yeah, 25 to 30 minutes. Beautiful smell there. Our snapper's been on for about half an hour now, so we've given it 15 minutes either side. So we'll bring it over here. Have a go of this. Not overcooked. Yep, we're white all the way through. Not too flaky. That's going to be damn good eat. I'm super happy with that. So what we're going to do is just take our dressing here and just top her off. Baby snapper cooked on the Voyager Barbecue. Chili, lime and garlic. A little bit of herbs and spices, some olive oil. Unbelievably good. Super happy with the outcome. It's that easy guys, hook in. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so I can help you become a backyard and camp cooking master.